Right. Are we back? Huh. I think we're back. Find out in a second. Well, isn't that nifty and cool? Alright, let me just check Twitter real quick. Make sure and huh. Wow. Alright, cool. So we're live. Alright, so shout out to Restream.io. Who told me? Dave Craig? Craig? I hope I'm not butchering your name. Yeah, they told me about it, said check it out. I have an RTMP server set up, so and I could set up forwarding. I just never took the time to, but hey, this just as good. So thank you for that. So back to what I was doing, recap. So I'm working on Treat Me at Home, working on the mobile application. And I'm just right now. I'm just working on the list view. I'm gonna just try to do like a feature a day because I've been getting really busy, so I don't have time. I haven't had time to do like 2 hour sessions back to back, but I think I can do one little feature, half a feature a day. So that's what I'm aiming for. So what I am doing is I made a list view that's going to show all the providers for the it's going to show all the providers for in the application, and I want them to have a card. It's going to be using the material card view, and just so it looks, just so it looks cleaner, looks better, et cetera, et cetera. So what was I doing? I just grabbed that. I just installed that dependency, and now I'm going to the providers, and I am boom adding this card. Oh, I remember what I was doing. I was checking to see if it went on my YouTube. All right, so image here we're gonna need is providers.yourimage or .photo. I think it's that pic. I don't even remember. I need to check that out. Um, huh. Oh, my YouTube description is messed up. Hold on one second, guys. Oh, this is cool. So I'm live streaming on Facebook, or not Facebook. I'm live streaming on YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter right now. Awesome. All right, cool. So I just had to adjust that description on there. Now, there we go. We'll update it. Just had to adjust that. All right. Snap. All right, cool. So what we're going to do here, we're going to connect that source being equal to the image. Oh, what's going on? Did we lose? Did we lose Twitch? Oh, there we go. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, so we got the provider.image. I believe it's .image. Let's see. List view. We need the text equal to provider.name. We also need text equal to provider.location. And there we go. All right, we don't need another image. Let's just do that for right now. I just want to see, make sure I'm doing that. Shit, make sure I'm doing that right. All right, and provider. Huh? Should probably do that right there. All right, what's happening? All right, let's check it out. Open up my phone. Okay, I'm getting this error. Prop, invalid prop. Type check failed for prop items. For provider and providers. Let's see, item. Expected array got undefined. Oh, okay. Go to the store, get providers. Console dot log data. So I should have a console log somewhere. Oh, is that what it was saying about the Axios thing? Okay. All right. I think I know what I need to do. Let's go here. Let's open the plugins. Let's go ahead and uninstall this dev webpack and install the latest version. We'll go ahead and stop this. All right. Well, that takes forever for no reason whatsoever. Huh. Pretty cool. All right. I'm running. So, okay. Install as a dev dependency. So I was running into this issue with Axios, and I think it's just because it might be an older version of NativeScript. I don't know. But when I try to compile, I get this, cannot resolve net package, and it's just been bothering me. Let's see, what do I have installed? Let's see, I got Axios 018. Let's see, what is the latest version of Axios? thought it had a job with Google. The job with Google ended up not panning out. Um, it ended up being better for both sides. I'm just gonna leave it at that. But last minute didn't pan out. After the interview process at all. But it's all good. I'm not even tripping about it. All right, so we're at okay. So that's at the latest build. Now, I wonder why it's doing that. Let me see. All right, we're going clear. But yeah, so the mobile app shouldn't actually take that long to build in the grand scheme of things. So we have the providers page, where you can select the providers, but and build out your cart basically. That's going to have some search functionality in there. And we are also going to um, have the individual provider page where they can, view the provider, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We're going to have the dashboards for both the providers and the users. If you're a user, you can see your past orders, current orders, etc. If you are a provider, then it is showing you, pending orders to accept or decline, directions for your nearest order, et cetera, et cetera, how much money you've made, et cetera. That's essentially it. Essentially, really, those three pages, and then there's of course multiple components that go along with it. All right. Let's do that. All right, 50%. All right, it's installing on the device. All right, I'm still getting the same error. I see. Expected array got undefined. All right, so we don't have that issue no more. Okay. All right. Let's see what that yields. We'll do a console log. Goodness, I think I'm back. All right, cool. Type check failed for prop items. Expected array got undefined. Again, undefined. All right. What am I doing wrong? All right, providers, store. Modules. Oh, okay. I don't know what. Yeah, I might have to. Axios. I use Axios all the time, so no, it's not. No, it's not that. Maybe something wonky happened. All right, did that fix it? Let's see, let me finish this tweet. All right. Need to switch over to this terminal. Well, why did it do that? I'm not understanding. Link 0? Alright, hold on. Alright, I don't think that's supposed to be right. So let's test this out on get providers. Wait, what? Slash testing at Gmail home slash API slash provider. Wait a minute. This isn't right. Shit. Did I accidentally drop the database and not realize? Good thing this is test. Wait. Hold on. I didn't want to do any backend coding, but I noticed something. Alright, let's open up the backend code and look at the routes. I'm not looking for a provider. Alright. So user controller. Okay. Oh, it's not. Hold on. Did I call it users or did I call it items? Oh, they call it users. Let's look at data.data. There we go. I'll look at this. Let's go back to this. Okay. Wow. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. That was done with me. I just need to remove the users. No, I didn't do it either. However, yes it did. Yes it did. This took forever. Alright, now I think I used the wrong property. I think it might have been photo. Let's see. It is photo. It is photo. Alright, let's see how this looks now. Alright, it's definitely loading. Whatever. Alright, so there's definitely some issues going on. Provider undefined. Expected an array, but you got a string. What is this you and me? What the hell is that? Okay, alright. I'm gonna do resources, views, layouts. Keep seeing this you and me everywhere. App layout. Okay. Layout snap. Okay, this is such a weird error. So what's happening is like I'm getting this you and me right here as like attached to everything, and I'm trying to figure out where. And so we'll search on that. You and me. What is this? Oh wow, we'll end up spending this whole time debugging. See if that fixes it. Whoa. Alright, I need to pull. Alright. Damn, you and me. Why? Hmm. Boy. Hmm. Delete that. Oh, why is doing these little weird responses? Front end Angular, back end Node. No, the front end on this project is native script. Actually, I'm sorry, I've got 3 different chats going on. So this is on the YouTube chat. I was asked if this is a front end Angular, back end Node app. No, so the back end is Laravel, and it's a and the front end for the web app is Vue.js, and for the mobile app is native script and Vue.js. Okay. So, all right. So it's not that part. All right. So, see if this found anything. I want anything from Bean. Nothing from Bean. Not too many apps, bro. No. Oh, this is too much. Collapse all. All right. Treat me at home. Okay. Um, mm, mm. Found it. Oh my gosh. I would have never found that without global search and find. All right, now my app should work. Goodness gracious. Let's see. All right, cool. Let's go back here. And now I gotta undo all that. .users. .users. Awesome. Well, now it's showing a photo, but the photo is really small. So let's go to providers. How about we do a for loop right here? Before what we call it, services, or service and services rather. What do I call it? Service.name. Yeah, service.name. Uh-oh. Well, that's not right. Mm. Let's see. Alright, that's not. So that's stacking it up. Let's go back. Let's go card. Go to alignment left. Mm. Row is going to be index +4. Let's see how that works. I wish I could show my screen. I'm sure there is a way. I just haven't figured it out yet. Still overlapping. Hmm. All right. Well, one thing at a time, I suppose. Let's get the image right. So we want. Grid layout. All right, so I'm just gonna take that off right now. Do a little bit of styling, and then honestly, I'm probably done for right now. All right, I can close this, open this back up. Do I have a global? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna all my components, get rid of. All right, so let's find out what color. See, what color this is. I don't know that color off the top of my head. Let me just go to one of my old videos and just do it that way. Where's it at? Events. All right, cool. So where is that tool? Right here. One. Oh, I gotta refresh the page. Oh, I'm tired. What the fuck? Cut. Paste. Okay. All right, cool. Now, let's see. And one of my clients just called, so that's just actually right on time. All right, cool. All right, guys, that's enough for right now, unfortunately. So I will holler at you guys. I'll try to holler at you guys tomorrow. Let me change one thing. This needs to be. Man, let me just do one thing before I forget. I want editable to be false. All right, now I will talk to you guys later.